Hi everyone. Welcome to our guide today. We are going to walk you through the process of replacing the starter on a Lexus RX350. This is a common repair. Doing it yourself can save a lot of money. Let's get right into it. Safety first. Always prioritize safety before starting any car repair. Make sure your vehicle is on a flat, stable surface. Turn off the engine completely. Disconnect the negative battery terminal first. This prevents accidental shorts. Wear safety glasses and gloves for protection. Gather your tools. You will need a ratchet and a variety of sockets, likely 10 mm, 12 mm, and 14 mm. Extensions and a universal joint will be very helpful. A pry bar might be needed to gently maneuver components. You'll also need a wire brush for cleaning terminals. Of course, have your new starter ready. Accessing the starter. This is often the most challenging part for an RX350. The starter is located under the intake manifold on these vehicles. You will need to remove several components to reach it. Start by removing the engine cover. Then, disconnect the air intake hose and remove the air filter box assembly. Next, you will need to unbolt and carefully remove the throttle body. Finally, you will need to unbolt and lift the entire intake manifold assembly. Be careful with all the vacuum lines and electrical connectors. Label them if it helps. Move the intake manifold out of your way. Now you should see the starter. Disconnecting the old starter. Double check that the battery is disconnected. First, disconnect the main power cable from the starter. This is the thicker wire. It will have a large nut, usually 12 mm or 14 mm. Use your ratchet to remove it. Next, disconnect the smaller signal wire. This usually has a small nut or a clip that needs to be squeezed. Be gentle with these connections. Removing the old starter. The starter is held in place by two main bolts. These bolts secure it to the transmission housing. Use your ratchet and extension to remove these two bolts. They can be tight. Once the bolts are out, carefully wiggle and pull the old starter out of its position. It might require some twisting and maneuvering due to tight spaces. Installing the new starter. Take your new starter. Position it carefully into the space. Make sure it lines up correctly with the transmission housing. Insert the two mounting bolts. Hand tighten them first. Then, use your ratchet to fully tighten them. Do not over-tighten. Reconnect the signal wire. Then, reconnect the main power cable. Make sure both connections are clean and secure. A wire brush can help clean any corrosion. Reassembly and testing. Now, it's time to put everything back together. Reinstall the intake manifold. Make sure all gaskets are properly seated. Reattach the throttle body. Connect all vacuum lines and electrical connectors you removed. Reinstall the air filter box and the air intake hose. Put the engine cover back on. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Get into the car. Turn the key. Listen for the engine to crank and start. If it starts, you did a great job. Thank you for watching this guide. We hope it helped you successfully replace your Lexus RX350 starter. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful automotive repair videos.